Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn the volume on Audible up or down on computer and on mobile devices. And if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. So basically I'm on Audible, I'm listening to this book Unruly by David Mitchell, and I want to turn the volume up or down, and you will not actually see a slider at the bottom right now, or I don't anyway. So what we need to do is press the volume on our keyboard, and on the top right of a Mac it's got an F12 button, that's the volume increase button, and then the F11 button is the volume decrease. And you've also got F10 for mute or unmute. And then from there, the only other volume button I can see that Audible gives us on the computer Google Chrome app is basically up here. You can come to sound and then press off, and that's basically going to mute your audiobook from there. However, if you turn that back on, it's going to unmute it. So now I've just switched over to the mobile version of the Audible app. I've got this book opened on the listening page right now. And basically to change the volume on Audible on mobile, again, you cannot see any sliders to actually move the volume up or down. So what we need to do is basically just use the buttons on the side of your device. For iPhone, there's two volume buttons on the left-hand side. There's a volume increase button, and then underneath it, there's a volume decrease button. And also what you can do as well, and from the top right, what you can do is hold and scroll down, and it's going to open up this page, and then there's a volume sort of slider on the right-hand side. For Android, I'm pretty sure there's volume buttons on the right-hand side of your device. Anyway guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.